G'day guys, I'm Chef Guy Turland, and today I'm going to teach you how to make the perfect risotto. For me, a mushroom risotto is super special. It's something that's close to me and my family's heart. It brings back memories of walking through the pine forest and plucking that sort of first growth of pine mushrooms. It's that smell, it's the tactile feel, it's a whole experience. So when I make a mushroom risotto now, it brings back that feeling and it's really special to me. So I'm excited to share it with you. What I love about risotto is the arborio rice essentially is a flavor sponge, which means whatever you have in your backyard, whatever is local and pays homage to the flavors in the area, you can send into that rice and share that with your family, which is so amazing. And the same can be said for, beautiful wine. A perfect risotto needs, a really well-crafted wine. And the Taylor family does that in a really lovely way. They really do pay homage to the region of where that fruit comes from. So let's get stuck into this recipe. Our first step is to prep all of our ingredients. So our first step is to simply dice up some onions and some garlic, and then grab your mushrooms and prep them and chop them into nice big hearty chunks. From there, we're going to add a little bit of olive oil into a pot and we're going to fry down our onions and garlic until they're opaque. We're going to add in our mushrooms and continue to cook them until they're caramelized and beautiful. From there, we're going to add in our rice. And at this stage, we're doing what's called cracking your rice, which is heating your rice up, coating it in that flavor, coating it in that oil, and preparing it for the stock. We've got some dried mushrooms here as well. We're going to reabsorb those mushrooms into the stock just before we add them into the rice. So using a wooden spoon, we're going to add our stock and we're continually cooking that risotto, being really gentle not to break up the rice, until that rice is al dente and gorgeous. From there, what we're going to do is we're going to finish it off with a good portion of butter and a good handful of Parmesan cheese. Give that a mix through, garnish it with some parsley, and serve it up with the perfect bottle of wine. And there you have it guys, a stunning risotto that really is close to my heart and brings back memories of foraging for pine mushrooms here in the Southern Highlands. There's nothing better than serving a big pot of risotto to people you love, and there's no better wine to match with it than the Taylor's Jarraman Chardonnay. This wine is stunning, it is bold, and it really holds up to these flavors. The wine is made from a mix of grapes from both the Clare Valley and Margaret River, giving it tones of citrus, white peach, and making it a perfect combination to sit, balance, and complement this stunning risotto. So, do yourself a favor, grab yourself this recipe, give it a crack, buy yourself a beautiful bottle of Taylor's wine, and fill your table with amazing food, amazing wine, and share some memories with people and family you love.